In post-war Japan, hatcheries faced a strange problem. They needed people who could instantly tell male chicks from female chicks, but the difference was nearly invisible to the naked eye. Yet somehow, the experts, called chicken sexers, could do it with 100% accuracy. Here's the strange part. No one, not even the masters, could explain how they knew. They just felt it. The old masters would train new workers by simply standing behind them. The trainee would pick up a chick, make a guess, and the master would say yes or no. After months of this, the new worker could separate male from female chicks flawlessly, without ever being told how to do it. This became known as one of the most fascinating examples of how human intuition can be trained. Over time, those trainees weren't memorizing, they were training their instincts. Each correction, each yes or no, taught their subconscious what patterns to recognize. This process is called implicit learning, knowledge absorbed without words, through repetition and feedback. The Japanese chicken sexers proved something powerful. You can train your instincts with perfect accuracy. 3. From chicks to charts. Now think about this in Memecoins. Every chart is your box of chicks. Every trade is your yes or no. Each win or loss feeds your subconscious. The data is your teacher, and your brain is the student. When you log your trades, study your charts, and reflect on your emotions, you're literally training your gut, building pattern recognition for volatility, sentiment, and flow. Journaling and feedback loops. Journaling every trade is one of the best ways to sharpen your instincts. Write down what went wrong, what went right, how you felt, and what you can improve next time. That's your yes or no feedback loop. It's your version of the chicken sexer's teacher. Over time, you won't even need to consciously think. Your instincts will whisper buy or sell before your logic catches up. Strategy and self-control professionals in poker, blackjack, and trading all share one secret. They decide when to walk away before they ever sit down. It's called a stop-loss or exit strategy. Maybe you quit after 3 losing trades. Maybe you set profit targets that trigger automatically. These rules protect you from emotion, from tilt. The more disciplined your system, the sharper your instincts become. The mindset shift, from tourist to trader. The tourists play for luck. The traders play for consistency. One hopes, the other knows. And that knowing doesn't come from magic. It comes from the same process that trained chicken sexers, poker pros, and chess masters. Discipline, feedback, pattern recognition, repetition. The takeaway, feel the chart. You don't just read charts, you feel them. You don't just guess, you sense the rhythm. Over time, every candle, every pump, every dump becomes part of your internal pattern recognition. That's how you train your trading instincts. One trade at a time, one yes or no at a time, until your gut becomes your greatest edge.